It's a pickup truck. Wagging out, walking in It's just, it's cool, yeah.
Oh! Asshole! Thanks a lot, asshole.
Yeah.
We didn't like you guys.
This is what you get. You know.
Oh!
Wow.
No, not my convertible.
That has 6-volt positive ground in the late 30s of 218, and they built them. I used to race Honda cars. This is like you. We all have fun.